Monsignor Timothy Verdon, director of the Opera del Duomo, is an art historian who has lived in Italy for the past 50 years.
For 500 years of its existence, Florence had one major artistic project, which was, when Florentines want to say that something takes an enormously long time, they say it's as long as the Opera del Duomo, as the building of the cathedral. This foundation, the Opera del Duomo, has always maintained the cathedral. We have stonemasons, we have carpenters. It is a kind of technical workshop that has existed without any interruption for 720-some years. The facade, as you see it today, looking grimy, is really only 20 years from its last and very splendid restoration. The statues were the great problem because that they drink in the dirt. Our most recent statues, those made for the 19th century facade of the cathedral, are the most fragile for a simple reason. By the 19th century, the quarrying of the marble for these statues was done using explosives. When the marble arrived in the shops of the artists, it looked fine, but actually it was riven by micro fractures that have absorbed the acid rain. It's a big and ongoing project. There's never a moment when you're not cleaning something.
I'm lucky to get very special access to see the restoration up close and personal with Marcello.
Oh, look at that! I've been crowned. Marcello.
Aspetta, okay.
Do I look cute? See?
Molto carino.
See. So, you know, Florence is actually known for fashion in addition to art, and I'm experiencing some of it today. Oh, I love it. I'd go higher. I think this is unbelievable.
Generations of Marcello's family have worked on restoring the Duomo, making this a labor of love for him.
Sì, anche qui massima attenzione. Più altro quello,
Sì.
Vedi quel pezzetto lì?
See. The part of the Duomo that hasn't been restored in a very long time, the marble is really black and sooty. And on this side, you can see how beautiful and white and clean, and you can see the stark contrast. Amazing.
Andare a ripulire tutte quelle parti di marmo che iniziano sia il degrado sia poi lo sporco.
So when the piece is really degraded and there might be a danger of it falling off the Duomo, then the stonemasons like Marcello create a whole new piece. If it's just some soot, they might come up here in a crane like this and clean it. No one sees Florence like this. I think this is the absolute coolest thing I have ever done. It is amazing, è stupendo.